Hello everyone, welcome back. It's a blustery day with snow flurries and wind, and today is the day my Azure Standard pickup came and I had to drive into town and get it. And that was fun because it was snowing on us, but mission accomplished. I got it, got home, and it's not too muddy yet. But I had some things that I really like that I've bought before, and I wanted to share those with you, and some new things too. So let's get started. One of the new things that I got is this is Sip Herbales, and it is Fojo. It's coffee substitute, and it's actually not bad for you. So it's got chicory root, dandelion root, carob, and then there's different flavors. This is signature roast. These are cinnamon roll. So it's a healthier alternative, and I'm not ready to give up coffee completely, but I'm taking baby steps. So this sounds like a good alternative, and I'm going to give that a try. Another thing I'm going to be doing is, I do not have a blood sugar problem, but a lot of people in my family have, and I just decided, again, with all these other healthier options, making my breads, doing all those things, I want to keep it that way. So I bought this blood sugar support, and they have all kinds of herbal supplements. So you might check it out next time you go on Azure Standard. These I have bought before, and I love them. This is a case of 12 jars, glass jars of tomato paste, and I believe there's 7 ounces each. When I make the family spaghetti sauce, I use a lot of tomato paste, and I don't really like it in cans. I do have tomato powder, and I can use that also, but this is just, I'd much rather buy it in the glass jars. These are larger than the 4 ounce, I think it's 4 ounce little cans, so I don't have to use as many. But I have bought them, and I really liked it. And along with those, I just made the family sauce, spaghetti sauce, and used up my large cans of tomatoes. I was shocked at how much whole tomatoes, canned tomatoes, cost at the store. It was crazy. I actually bought these. They are organic, whole peeled tomatoes from Azure Standard, and they were about the same price, and these are organic. So, not to mention, they didn't even have many cans at the store. So, I don't know what's going on with that, but I figured I would grab those because I will use them. We go through quite a bit of Mom's spaghetti sauce, and I jarred up, and so we have it on hand, but we'll use it up. And then I always like to keep some gelatin on hand, and this one it's unflavored, and it's, let's see, how many, 16 ounces of gelatin. And so I keep this stuff on hand. I use it for a number of things. These are approximate 5 pound logs of cheese. They are so good that it's worth buying 5 pounds. I do cut them into chunks and freeze some, but we go through a lot of cheese anyway, so I always keep some in the refrigerator. But I cut it in chunks, and then I vacuum seal them and put them in the freezer. You could grate them and spread them out and freeze them that way. I haven't done that. I may try it this time if I find the time, but it's January. I'm still in a rush on all of my bookkeeping, better than normal, but there's still last minute things that I'm waiting on. So this is not the highest priority. These can sit, they're heavily wrapped, so they can sit in the refrigerator if I need them to for a week or two. And I can then cut them up and repackage. But this one is Sierra Nevada organic raw milk white cheddar, and it's grass-fed and aged over 120 days. And it just has an amazing flavor. So that's more of a mild one. But then we also, especially Brian, loves a sharp cheddar cheese, and this white sharp cheddar is so good. He'll just eat chunks of it, and I actually used a bit last night that was actually in the freezer and grated really easily. And I made a chicken, potato, and hatch green chili pie that was amazing. It was like a quiche with eggs, and so good. But I used the sharp cheddar in that, and it just really was wonderful. So 5 pounds is a lot, and for some people it's intimidating, but I will tell you, it's worth it. We will use all of it. And then we are also getting to more natural salts, and there's still a lot of controversy about salts out there, and they will say that they all have lead in them, they all have different things. So I just try and get the most natural ones I can, and you know, we don't use a lot, but they're all going to have it in them. They're all going to have some lead. They're a natural product. So you know what? Use your judgment. But I have this Celtic sea salt, and this is the light gray kind of chunky that you could put in a grinder. This one is more of a fine kosher salt for cooking or whatever. So I've got those two. Last time I ordered the Baja Gold sea salt, and it is wonderful. But Brian specifically asked for some of this, so I bought it. Now I'm only going to show you one of these so I don't have to carry them both here. But this is Azure Market Organics, and these are green peas, sweet green peas, canned. And there's a case. And I also bought a case of the Organics green beans. I didn't get much out of my garden on these things last year. Almost nothing on the peas, and not too many green beans. So I could buy frozen, but I don't have a lot of freezer space. So I'm using the organic canned, and hopefully I'm going to have a good crop this year. And I forgot to tell you about this. Along with this raw milk cheddar, I asked them if they could send me some extra labels, because I do repackage it, and it's nice to be able to just plop the label on there and see exactly what it is. So they did. They obliged and sent me some labels for that raw milk white cheddar. So that was very kind of them. I also bought 2 cases of the Azure Standard canning jars, and I realized I really didn't have wide mouth pints. I'm trying to move to them because I really like their jars. So I decided I would go ahead and get a couple of cases of the wide mouth pints. I use those especially for things like canning meats and things you want to be able to get to. I can use the regular mouth for a lot of things, but there's some that you just want the wide mouth for. So I got a couple of cases of those. And then the other 2 things that I got is I bought one 25-pound bag of hard red wheat, organic, and one 25-pound bag of hard white wheat, organic. I did buy my 25-pound bag of each because I go through a lot now that I'm making bread at least once a week. I love my Bosch mixer and my grain mill, and I have a new grain mill to try out too, so I'll be bringing that to you soon. But I'm going through a lot of grains, and so I would rather buy it from them organic. I can get red and white wheat, hard red and white here locally, but it's not organic. And is it okay? It probably is. But if I'm going to all this work to make something that's really healthy, I'm gonna try and make it as healthy as I can. So that's kind of what I've got today. And I just wanted to show you, especially things like these cheese. If you get a chance, try their cheese. They are amazing. Their frozen vegetables and fruits are amazing. I haven't tried these green peas or beans yet, but I'm guessing they're going to be very good. I know that the tomato paste is. And so, like I said, some things are going to be new when I order, but I will buy things over and over because I really do like their quality. And I like that it's a family-run business, and they really like to stick with the little guys. And I think that's so important in today's day and age, getting quality products from families. And so hope you give it a try. Hope you check it out. I'll leave a link below for Azure Standard, and I hope you give them a try. Once a month, I go all the way into town and meet the truck, which that's an hour drive. We unload it, we pack it in the car, and I get some really good products. It's a different way of doing things, but it's one that I really like and I will support. So again, give them a try some new things, and there's always new products. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. Hopefully my January bookkeeping work is gonna slow down a little bit very soon. Maybe this, it has to be this week. Hopefully I'll be able to bring you several videos that are in my head, just haven't had a chance to make them yet. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.